The school I want to review today is my own school. Sometimes people ask me like, "Helen, is your school doing this program?" Like, unless I check. So today I'm checking. We have a lot of programs here. So I'll be going through the ones that have like lots of funding. Other ones, they are there or none, or it's there like one or two, and it's highly competitive. For the business programs, I can't guarantee, but it's highly. So let's go with the first one. I want us to look at all these ones are master's programs that I'm reviewing. Some of them may have their PhD as well, but all of these are just masters that I'm reviewing. The ones that I'm going to review do not take GRE. Some do not even take recommendation. Others also do. Okay, so let's start. Finally, on my school graduate college website for their master's program. So I want to take you all through the master's programs that my school is offering with full funding. I'll rush you through quickly. Maybe I might not be able to cover all, but the remaining I'll leave it in the description box for you all to check out. Okay. First on my list is communication. I'm not accepting spring. It's at its capacity. Only for the fall. CV, yes. GRE, nope. Recommendations, nope. SOP, yes. Transcript, yes. Additional information, kindly click on this hyperlink for more information. Comparative religion, anyone interested in that? Assistantship is available. All you need is CV, no GRE, do recommendations, SOP, kindly follow this prompt. Any other information, kindly go to the department page and they'll be available to answer all your questions. Next on my list is from here, where? Economics. Applied economics. Assistantship is available, but you have to submit your application by February 1st. CV, yes. No GRE. No recommendation. SOP, yes. Transcript, yes. Any other information, kindly click on this hyperlink. Next, we go economics again, but this time with a concentration in economic development. Assistantship is available. No GRE, no recommendation, transcript. And applied economics again, statistics and econometrics with this concentration. Click on it. It's available. Okay. Submission deadline. Oh, 4 semester. Okay. No GRE. Recommendation, no. Not needed. SOP, yes. Transcript, yes. Any other, kindly ask the department if you are not too sure about something. The next I have on my list is educational leadership. That's a concentration in higher education and student affairs. Yeah. Deadline. So they even have GAs and other scholarships for the 4th semester. CV, no GRE. Recommendation letters, yes. 3. SOP, you have to follow this to write your SOP. Transcript, yes. Any other, kindly hit on this hyperlink. And I move to geography. Assistantship, yes. I have to submit your application by February 15th. CV, no GRE. Recommendations, yes. SOP, yes. Can you follow this? And any other thing, reach out to the department for help. I think the last one I would do would be Hispanic Studies. You also have assistantship. CV, no GRE. Recommendations, 3. SOP, yes. Previous, additional information, all needed. The last one, history. Number 1, application must be received by January 15th. GRE has been suspended. 3 recommendations needed. SOP, yes. Materials. Non-native English speakers would have to submit English proficiency. Proof of that. If any other thing, let the department know. And the list goes on and on and on and on and on and on. I will list the remaining in the description for you all to check it out. Okay, so these are the master's programs that my school is offering, and I've run through some of them with funding availability in terms of graduate assistant. Thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. I will see you soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.